Happy Sunday, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching me from. This is how my Sunday went. Yeah, let me share with you guys how I prepare my garnish gizzard. Yeah, here is in there frying. So before I get into the video much, guys, let me tell you one story about myself. Let me share this with you guys. Maybe there's something or anything you can just tell me, or you can put me through, you can enlighten me, you can make me know more. I want to know maybe it's emotionally healthy or not, because whenever I want to get something for myself, since I've become a mother, I can't do anything for myself anymore without involving my children. I don't know why. Maybe whenever I want to get something for myself, no matter how important the stuff is for me, I must make sure I get something in replacement for my children. I want to know maybe it's emotionally healthy, because I don't really understand this thing. This thing keep running in my head whenever I want to get, even though I'm outside, I want to eat, buy something for myself, snacks. I'll make sure I get something to put to keep inside my bag to give them when I got home. So I want to know maybe it's normal, because mothers that you have been a mother for a while before me, because me, I've become a mother now. I think it's like about 4 5, yeah, 5 years ago. But this thing have been happening to me, guys. Please, can you share your opinion with me? Okay, please, I'll be waiting in the comment section what you think about what I just said. Are you experiencing the same or not? Is there any solution, or should I continue like that? So guys, that is it. Thank you very much. Then let's continue with the video. There we have my chopped onions frying there, and garlic, ginger, red pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, everything mixed. Because normally I used to use dried ginger and garlic, but this year I said to myself I want it fresh, so I have the fresh one there. So now I'm frying. I had in my curry, thyme, and rosemary and all-purpose seasoning and salt. So that's what we have there. So guys, you will not like, I don't like my sauce to overcooked, so it won't change color. So I want that green and reddish stuff on it. So guys, at those points, I think I'm okay. Let me taste. Let me see. Fry. Okay, guys. You see, guys, I don't want it to change color. Now at this point, I will be adding my Gizzard, yes. Can you see? I don't know. The gizzard I see in this country is quite bigger. I have to cut them into smaller particles. As in, I cut them into two. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Look how green. This is what I want. The green and the reddish style. I don't